Once upon a time, a small bird was flying south to escape the harsh winter. The journey was long and difficult. As it flapped its wings through freezing winds and icy skies, the cold began to overwhelm it. The frost was so intense that the bird eventually lost its way. Exhausted and frozen, it could no longer stay in flight. Its wings had stiffened completely. The little bird began to fall, plummeting helplessly from the sky. It landed in the middle of a vast empty field, no trees, no grass, just frozen earth stretching out in all directions. Shivering and alone, the bird lay there, unable to move. It resigned itself to its fate, slowly freezing in the open. But then it heard footsteps. A large cow approached. The bird, terrified and helpless, braced for the worst. As the cow came closer, it unexpectedly dropped a load of manure directly onto the little bird. At first, the bird was horrified. But within moments, something surprising happened. It started to feel warm. The manure, unpleasant as it was, insulated the bird from the bitter cold and gradually brought warmth back to its tiny body. Revived and overjoyed, the bird began to chirp and sing, celebrating its miraculous survival. Unfortunately, the joyful noise attracted a nearby cat. Hearing the cheerful song, the cat followed the sound, discovered the bird, dug it out of the manure, and ate it. Moral of the story: not everyone who dumps on you is your enemy. Not everyone who pulls you out of a mess is your friend. When you're warm and content, sometimes it's best to keep quiet and enjoy it in peace.